If you feel like you're struggling to make sales on the TikTok shop, or if you're missing out on all of the big TikTok trends, it's time to stop guessing and start growing. Because with Fastmoss, that's exactly what you can do. Fastmoss is the #1 TikTok analytics platform, and you can unlock a world of insights all powered by AI. Because the secret to TikTok isn't actually luck, it's data. So here we are on the Fastmoss platform, and basically the secret to being successful on TikTok, guys, it's not just luck and guesswork, it's actually data. Fastmoss provides actionable insights to identify trending products, optimize content, and understand customers' needs. The platform's 30 tools analyze 250 million creators, 200 million shops and products, and real-time top data. Fastmoss is user-friendly, data-driven, and essential for maximizing TikTok shop success. And the best part about this is you can actually try it for free. But let me give you a few examples here of how you can actually use it to get an edge on TikTok. So let's say we want to do some product research here for our TikTok shop. What we can do here is go to the Find Products section, and then we're basically going to have a list of all of the top performing products right now. Now here, what we can do is actually just search the product that we need, or we could go to the left-hand side here and actually see what is top selling. So here we can see a list of all of the top selling products on TikTok right now. So we could basically get those, and then yes, we can see the commission rate here as well. If we do scroll to the right, we can see the commission rate, we can see units sold, and we can see the growth rate of certain products as well. So for example, fanny packs, belts, and bags here, this one is doing incredibly well, in which yes, they have a 131% growth rate with 4.3K in sales and a 20% commission. So this off the bat would be a great product to sell in your shop. If we scroll even further to the right here, we can see all of the analytics that we can get. So if we look on the right hand side here, we can see the total GMV. So that is the gross margin value. And this is super important because we can see how much of these products have sold, as well as how much have sold recently. So then we can identify certain trends. Now on the left hand side, we also have options like new listed, full service product, most promoted, and a video product rank as well. Now on this section, we can also see that yes, it's actually going to show the videos that promote these and get the sales. So all you would need to do is basically copy that video, sell a similar product, and get pretty decent conversions. Now, if you aren't a creator and you can't do something like that, maybe you want to use the platform to find collaborations and content for yourself. So that is where the creator section comes into this. So here we can go to creator search on the left-hand side and then search for the niche that we're looking for. And Fastmoss is probably the best in the game at this because they help find affordable, effective creators for collaboration. Now that's great for searching creators, but let's say we're a bigger company, we can actually go to growth rank and see some of the top ones for collaboration here. Then we have e-commerce rank, which is going to show their total GMV as creators. So you could basically get a good idea of their conversion rate from the products they've sold and the total GMV. And then of course, there's the verified creators rank if you're looking for more security. And here you can see all of the top companies and their accounts. And then finally, in the creators section, we have the trending creators. So these are the ones that have gone viral recently. And if you are looking at these sections, then yes, these guys will typically have lower prices and they will have newer audiences. So they can actually, and these guys will typically have lower prices depending on who you pick. Now at the top here, we have the Market 360. So this will give us market insights on what's going on in the TikTok space, where we can see the market growth rate for certain niches, as well as the market size. So picking something directly in the middle here could be something that converts more. We also have a market overview here section, and we can go up here to this tab and see the creator matrix. So this is going to give us all of the data on certain types of promotions. And then if we go to this one here, we can see the creator matrix. So this is going to give us basically what's going on in terms of analytics, in which we can see the average revenue generated per creator, as well as some other really key metrics here. Now, by far the coolest feature of this would actually be the AI toolbox here. So on the left-hand side, we can go and click this and see the voice of customer insight. This basically uses AI to analyze thousands of daily reviews on the TikTok shop. It reveals customer preferences, pricing behavior, and competitor strengths. So we could use this to identify competitors' products and why they succeed and discover new product opportunities for our own shop. So here we can see some beauty makeup stuff. We can click view example for this one. And yes, we can see a bunch of different statistics that's going to help us set up our own shop. Now, overall, this is a fantastic platform that is changing the game when it comes to e-commerce. And if you do have a TikTok account or you have your own TikTok shop, I would definitely recommend checking this out because you can actually register for free and share your account ID for a free upgrade. Now, if you are an affiliate or you have your own network, guys, I would highly recommend getting a link from their site on the dashboard here at the bottom because you can actually earn 15% on anyone that upgrades. So yes, this could turn out to be some great passive income for you. But overall, in conclusion here, guys, this is definitely something that's going to help your TikTok shop as it has done with mine. You can search a bunch of different things, use AI, find creators for a collaboration, and of course, they have the fantastic affiliate programs to back it up. So there's just so many reasons to go over and check this site out. But that's going to be it from me. All of the links will be in the description. I will see you in the next one.